hours from 7 p.m. to 7 p.m. Persons with disability, senior citizens, including their assistants, if they are registered voters in the city colonies, and permanent voters who vote earlier. Through early voting hours, they can start voting as early as 5 p.m. For your guidance, here are 8 quick and easy steps to help you cast vote. First, approach the electoral board and say using
sampol balot, kalat ang mga sampol balot. Isa. Boto na ako eh. Sa amin din ito, sampol balot. Binibigay ng mga bata, sampol balot. So dito minaw sa may Pedro Guevara. Isa sa pinakamalaking voting place sa District 3 eh. Madami din palang bumuboto dito.
Kunin mo natin pagkain.
Medyo makulimlim yung langit pero yo. May pila pa din, no? May mga pila. Daming pulis din nakamando. Ayan. Ayun lang. Grabe. Dami. Oh, boto. Election.
Ang bawat po tumambay din sa harapan, nakalive po tayo.